Any text on a site can be dynamic, meaning that it can be connected to a text field under business text. You'll see some pre-existing fields here where you can add text, but you are not limited to just these fields. You can also add your own custom text fields as well. For any custom text field you add, you'll want to give it a label. This label will stay the same across all sites created from this template, but the content in the text field will be dynamic. Always make sure there's some placeholder text if it's a field you plan to connect to the site. This helps ensure that when you link it to elements on the page, they display correctly and don't leave any blank spots or cause unexpected issues. Now that we have some existing text in the content library, we should be able to connect a text widget to it. We should also see the two rings indicating the widget is connected to data. Remember, any text widget on a template can be connected to business text, and you have complete control over which ones you want to link.